Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something super handy for 2025. How to add event tickets to Apple Wallet. Whether you're heading to a concert, a sports game, or a big conference, having your tickets right on your iPhone makes everything smoother and faster. By the end of this video, you'll be a pro at this. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure your iPhone is running the latest iOS update for 2025. Apple often rolls out new features, so head to Settings, General, Software Update and install any pending updates. This ensures everything works seamlessly. Next, start with your event ticket. Most tickets come via email from services like Ticketmaster or Eventbrite, or directly from an app. Open the email or app where your ticket is stored. Look for a prominent button that says, Add to Apple Wallet. It's usually easy to spot. Tap on it. Once you tap that button, your iPhone will prompt you to confirm adding the ticket. You'll see a preview of the ticket, including details like the event name, date, time, and venue. Go ahead and tap Add to import it into your wallet app. If you're prompted for any permissions, like access to your location or notifications, grant them to avoid issues. Now, open the Apple Wallet app on your home screen. Your new event ticket should appear as a card. Swipe through to verify all the details are correct. Pro tip: you can customize the card by editing the information if needed, but that's optional. One common hiccup is if the ticket provider doesn't support Apple Wallet yet. Double-check that your ticket is from a compatible source. If you run into errors, try restarting your phone or contacting the event organizer. And that's it, you're all set for your event. No more fumbling with physical tickets or apps, everything's just a tap away. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more 2025 tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.